Hello Year 9 and welcome to our assembly. Our assembly today is on well-being. We'll be looking at the different types of well-being that there are and explaining what that actually means. So we're going to be looking at physical, emotional and social well-being. So what is well-being? Well-being is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Physical health. Physical activity releases feel-good hormones that make you feel better and give you more energy. Many people find that physical activity helps them maintain positive mental health. Good physical health is linked to fitness, being able to perform effectively the physical tasks involved in life as well as in sport. Being physically healthy includes enjoying being physically active, having good balance, coordination and agility in everyday tasks as well as sport, having the strength, stamina and suppleness required for daily life, work and play, and having fewer illnesses, diseases and injuries. Emotional health. Emotional or mental health is linked to personal well-being. Feeling positive about yourself and being emotionally healthy includes having self-esteem and self-respect, being able to recognise and express feelings, being able to manage emotions to suit the situation, recognising and managing the factors that affect emotions, and feeling positive about life, which includes feeling useful and being optimistic about the future. Social health. We build our social well-being by interacting with people around us. These interactions involve using good communication skills and building and maintaining meaningful relationships. Social health also contributes to well-being, feeling positive about interactions with other people in the wider world. Being socially healthy includes being able to interact with a range of people and having a sense of belonging, having respect, empathy and tolerance for other people, being able to manage emotions to suit the situation, recognising and managing the effects of actions on others, and being aware of rights and responsibilities. So we've looked at three types of well-being: physical, emotional and social. If you need any support or help, please speak to a family member or friend, or you can speak to a member of staff in school. We can help signpost you to the appropriate service that can help support you further if you need it. There is a wide variety of help and support available if you do need it, so please do not be afraid to ask. Thank you for listening.